My dear friends, hello. Today, on this special day of October 2nd, the birthday of our beloved Bapu, I'm not talking to you from a TV studio in Delhi. Instead, I'm sitting here, under the cool shade of a grand old banyan tree. Look at its roots, reaching down, and its branches, spreading wide towards the sky. For hundreds of years, this has been our way in India. Our greatest wise men, our best teachers, and even our children have found knowledge out in nature. It is here, with the gentle sound of leaves and warm sunlight, that the most important talks have happened. In this spirit, I want to share thoughts with my family of 140 crore Indians. This tree has seen many seasons, a quiet witness to time passing, just like the stars above. Have you ever looked up at the endless sky and wondered, what are those lights? How far away are they? What is our place in this huge, quiet play? Come, sit with me. Let's begin our journey from this banyan to the farthest space. So, what is this field that tries to answer our questions about the sky? In English, it is called cosmology. Cosmos means the universe. Logy means study. Cosmology is the study of the universe, the story of our Brahman. Where did everything come from? How did it begin? What is it made of? Where is it going? It is our attempt to draw a map of existence. Imagine finding a beautiful old temple in a jungle. You'd ask who built it, when, and of what. Cosmology is the same, but for the whole universe. We read stories written in the light of faraway stars. The spirit of cosmology starts with your eyes and mind. It belongs to all of us, curiosity in every human heart. For us in India, understanding the universe is part of our culture. Long before modern tools, our wise asked what is real and where Brahman came from. Think of Hiranyagarbha, the golden cosmic egg, a universe from one point, akin to modern ideas. They speak of vast cycles, kalpas, creation and ending, a moving, breathing cosmos. Our Surya gives life and energy to Earth. Festivals and practices celebrate this truth. Saptarishi ties our search for knowledge to the sky. Science and heritage can go together. Our ancestors taught prashna, question, watch nature, think deeply. Viewing modern cosmology through ancient wisdom makes it easier to grasp. It becomes part of our ongoing story of seeking truth. The past inspires the present, and the present reaches for the stars. Now let's build a picture of the Brahman, step by step. Your village is in a district, the district in a state, the state in India, India in a continent, all on planet Earth. The universe has a similar address system. On a grand scale, Earth and other planets go around our star, the Sun. This family is our solar system, our space neighborhood. The solar system is a tiny part of a galaxy, the Milky Way, Akash Ganga. On dark nights, that band is the blended light of billions of stars. Our Akash Ganga is one among billions, maybe trillions. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes, like islands floating in the great ocean of space. Distance is so great, even light takes millions to billions of years. Our address, Earth, solar system, a spiral arm of the Milky Way, one of countless galaxies. It is huge, it is grand, and we are part of it. Every story has a beginning, so does the universe. How did billions of galaxies and trillions of stars come to be? Modern science points to the Big Bang, not an explosion in space, but the beginning of space and time. Imagine all ingredients packed into something smaller than a grain of sand. About 13.8 billion years ago, it began expanding fast. The newborn universe was a super hot soup of tiny particles. As it grew, it cooled, like steam becoming water. Particles joined to make the simplest atoms, hydrogen and helium. For a long time, no stars, no galaxies, just expanding gas. Then gravity began its patient work, drawing gas into clumps. Centers grew hotter and denser, until nuclear fusion lit the first stars. The universe switched on its lights. Darkness ended. The era of stars began. From a tiny spark to this magnificent sky. A beginning that still echoes in the light we see today. A simple story with profound steps. And our story continues. Stars are the jewels of the universe. They make life possible. Our sun is a middle-aged star, hot, churning gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. In its core, hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing immense energy. That energy warms faces, grows crops, and drives our weather. Stars live, change, and die. A sun-like star becomes a red giant, sheds layers, leaving a white dwarf that slowly fades. Massive stars end dramatically, as supernovae. For weeks one can outshine a galaxy, scattering heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, even gold, born in stars. These seed new stars, planets, and life. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, all forged in ancient stars. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. Knowing this changes how we see ourselves and fills us with wonder and humility. You might ask, this is interesting, but I have exams. How does it help daily life? Understanding the universe gives perspective. Problems feel smaller beneath a sky so large. The same curiosity powers technology and progress. Math for planets helps build bridges and run economies. Telescope tech improves cameras and medical imaging. Space science touches farms, safety and health. GPS works by physics discovered studying the cosmos. Success in space fills us with pride and belief. It tells us we can do the impossible. Inspiration spreads, from labs to studios to fields. From space, there are no lines, just one blue home. The universe doesn't care about nationality, religion, or skin color. We travel together. Let this fight division and conflict. It reminds us to protect each other and our planet. Looking up makes us wiser and kinder, and it helps us dream bigger than we thought possible. My dear young friends, inside every child is a scientist, a curious explorer. Never let that curiosity disappear. Ask questions. Ask a lot of questions. Why is the sky blue? Why does the moon change? What are stars made of? A tiny seed can become a giant banyan tree. Your curiosity is that seed. We are creating places for your ideas to grow, but the most important lab is your mind. Watch the world around you. Science is everywhere. Seek evidence, think clearly, be ready to change your mind. Guides, encourage questions, help them find answers. Visit places that spark wonder. Share stories of our scientists. Make science joyful at home. Whatever you choose, keep wonder with you. Let the universe inspire brave, creative dreams. As our talk under this banyan ends, remember balance. Balance between old wisdom and modern science. Between looking inward and looking outward. Our journey must be powered by both. Science helps solve big challenges, from climate to health. Let's lead in research and ideas. The cosmos teaches humility and respect for planet, nature, and life. Like this tree, let us offer shelter without choosing. A developed future must also be sustainable. True progress respects Mother Nature. Let the stars guide and inspire us, reminders of endless possibilities. Even in darkness, there is always light. Let us be advanced in science and strong in spirit. A nation of innovators and fearless thinkers, where everyone feels part of the universe's grand story. As the sun sets, I am filled with hope.